When the woman was putting something down, she suddenly felt a chill on her buttocks. She turned around to discover a syringe stuck in her rear. At this moment, a woman walked toward her. Before Anna could react, she fainted. That woman directly put her into the trunk. Then the woman drove away from there. When Anna woke up, she discovered she had been taken to the wilderness, and she was tightly tied to a chair. Her kidnapper was a man less than 1 meter tall. The man told her she had offended someone she shouldn't have. Before Anna could figure out the situation, she was knocked unconscious again. Then the man's subordinates inserted a tube into Anna's stomach. Next, they poured high-concentration vodka into it. They moved the woman to the driver's seat and then used a jack to lift the car up. Finally, the man pushed the started car out. They wanted to create an accident to kill Anna. But just 1 second before the car rushed into the ocean, Anna suddenly woke up. But by then it was too late to step on the brakes. The car still rushed uncontrollably into the water. Under enormous pressure, seawater quickly flooded into the car. Anna immediately unbuckled her seatbelt and moved to the back seat. She used all her strength to kick out the glass. Finally, she escaped from the car just as she was about to suffocate. However, Anna being treated this way was entirely self-inflicted. On the surface, Anna was the director of a nursing home. But behind the scenes, she made money off the elderly residents. She would only stop once these elderly people lost their value. One day, Anna met a very wealthy elderly woman named Sarah. Sarah had no children and no relatives, but she possessed millions in assets. So Anna found the elderly woman's attending physician. She bribed the doctor with $500,000. The doctor then testified in court that Sarah lacked the ability to live independently. Moreover, the doctor said she suffered from severe dementia. It turned out that local law stipulated that as long as an elderly person without relatives became ill, the court would find a nursing home to fulfill guardianship duties. Even during the hearing, the parties involved didn't need to appear in court. Just like that, Anna successfully became Sarah's guardian. She took away Sarah's phone and sent her to the nursing home. At the same time, her freedom would be strictly limited. After all the preparatory work was finished, Anna could dispose of Sarah's property at will. Just as she was happily claiming the elderly woman's diamonds as her own, little did she know that Anna would pay an extremely painful price for this foolish behavior. And this is how Anna faced a painful punishment for her own actions. You already know, life should always be lived with caution and kindness. Hey, if you're watching this, maybe consider subscribing. It would really help me out. If not, that's totally fine. Have an amazing day. Love you all.